Geographical explanation. Following factors determine population distribution. Physical factor. Number 1. Relief landforms. Population is densely distributed on flat plains and gently slopes. This is because such areas are favorable for the production of crops. In these areas, it is easier to build roads and develop industries. The mountainous and hilly areas tend to be less populated. If means of livelihood are available, population can be concentrated in few such areas, for example, Dehradun, Leh, etc. Thus, it can be concluded that plateaus or mountainous areas are less populated in plains. Number 2. Climate. Extreme climates such as very hot or cold deserts or regions with very heavy rainfall are uncomfortable for human habitation. They have less population. Area with an equal climate where there is not much seasonal variation attract more people. Mediterranean regions were inhabited due to their pleasant climate. In cold climates, only people like the Eskimo and Lapps, who are highly adapted to such climates, can live in these regions. Vast equatorial areas of the Amazon lowland and Congo basin are very sparsely populated due to their unfavorable climate. Find out, are Eskimos still living in their conventional ways? What change can be seen in their lifestyle now? Number 3. Availability of water. It is the most important factor for life for all living beings, including man. So people prefer to live in areas where fresh or potable water is easily available. You will find that easily through the map in figure number 1.2. It is because of this that river valley and coastal areas are among the most densely populated areas of the world. For example, Nile Valley and coastal plains of India are one of the most densely populated areas of the world. In desert too, population is found near oases. For example, Falodi from Thar Desert and Al-Hasa from Saudi Arabia have developed around oases. Use your brain power. Can lakes be a factor for concentration of population? Find out example. Which water bodies are surrounded by dense population in Maharashtra? Number 4. Soil. Fertile soils are important for agricultural and livelihood activities. Therefore, areas which have fertile lemon soil have more people live on them, as these can support intensive agriculture. The flood plains of the river Mississippi, the Ganga, the Irrawaddy, the Yangtze are examples of area having high density of population. Similarly, areas have regur or black soil are also densely populated. The slopes and foothills of many volcanoes have high density of population as their slopes are covered with fertile volcanic soil. The slopes and foothills of volcanoes in Java, Japan, Sicily, and Central America support many people. If a dominant volcano erupts someday, these settlements may face disasters. They may face economic losses and loss of life. For example, people leaving their places after an eruption that place. Human factor number 1. Agriculture. Increase in agricultural production due to use of fertilizers and irrigations make it possible to support more population. Type of agriculture, crop grown, method of cultivation and specialization of particular crops are other characteristics of agriculture that affect the distribution of population. Do map activity related to figure 1.4. Make friends with maps. Refer to the map showing rice producing regions of the world in figure number 1.4. Relate it with the population map of the world in figure 1.2. Write the conclusions in your own words. Number 2. Mining. Area with good quality minerals deposit attract industries. Mining and industrial activities generate employment. So, skilled and semi-skilled workers move to this area and make them densely populated. Katagana Copper Belt in Zambia, the Chota Nagpur Plateau in India, coal and iron field of Western Europe, the Manchurian region of China, and the Appalachian Mountain of the USA are the example where population is dense due to availability of minerals. Some minerals are highly valuable and they are extracted despite odd physical conditions. In such areas, population may be dense. This is true for precious and rare minerals like gold and mineral oil. For example, gold mines area in the Australian desert, mineral oil in the desert regions of Southwest Asian countries. Give it a try. Look at the satellite image given in figure number 1.5. They show the same area from two different periods. Year 2005, year 2019. Change. Question 1. What difference do you see? A. Year 2005, less settlement and high agricultural area. B. Year 2019, less agricultural area and high urban or population area. Shown the picture. Number 3. Transportation. After studying the satellite image in figure number 1.5, you may find that roads or highways may increase the population here. Such regions are easy to access because of roads, thus increasing density. On the contrary, if accessibility is difficult, it takes more time and is costlier to reach there, then the region is sparsely populated. Figure 1.5 clearly shows that the population density has increased as a highway passes through this area. Sea transport led to the discovery of new places, port cities got development. The population grew there due to trade. For example, the construction of the Suez Canal increased the exchange of raw materials and goods. Therefore, the population appears to be concentrated in coastal regions. Western and eastern coastal region of India, the western and eastern coastal region of the United States are example. Number 4. Urbanization. The growth of industries is responsible for the development of towns and cities. Tertiary activities like transportation, trade, and other services also increase in order to cater to the needs of the growing urban population. Cities offer better employment opportunities, educational and medical facilities, better means of transport and communications. In many areas of the world, a continuous urban belt is found, for example, Greater Mumbai. Number 5. Political factor and government policies. Besides all the above factors, the politicals of various governments also affect population distribution and density. A government may choose to promote population in an area or depopulate it. For example, the government promote human settlement in parts of Siberia by giving more opportunities and special incentives. For example, in Japan, the government is giving incentives to people to leave Tokyo, as about one third of Japan live in Tokyo. Let's recall, which policy did the Brazil government promote with respect to decentralization? Components of population change. Population growth. Try this. Look at the figure number 1.6 and answer the question that follow. Geographical explanation. The population growth or population change refer to the change in number of inhabitants of a territory during a specific period of time. This change may be positive or negative. It can be expressed either in terms of absolute numbers or in terms of percentage. Population change in an area is an important indicator of economic development. It can be an indicator of social upliftment. For example, poverty can be reduced if population reduces. There are three components of population change: birth, death, and migration. Crude birth rate. Crude birth rate is expressed as number of living births in a year per thousand of population. For example, in 2019, there were 3,250 births in a city with population of 2,23,000. Therefore, CRB is equal to 3,250 divided by 2,23,000 cross 1,000 is equal to 14.57. So, at that time, there were 14.57 live births for every 1,000 people in the city. CRB is equal to total number of living births in a area divided by total population in that year cross 1,000. Crude death rate. Death rate plays an active role in population change. Population growth occurs not only by increasing birth rate but also decreasing death rate, like CBR. CDR is expressed in terms of numbers of deaths in a particular year per thousand of population in a particular regions. Same formula, few change. CDR is equal to total number of deaths in a year divided by total population in that year cross 1,000. population growth is equal to present population minus earlier population. Population growth rate is equal to population growth divided by earlier population cross 100. Can you tell? Observe the table 1.4. Arrange the data in ascending order for birth rate and death rate respectively. Answer: observe table number clearly.